So our drink of choice, of course, will be wine because we are classy, you know what I mean, right? Right? Yeah? Wrong. Shots, girl. Yes! Hey, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. So, the liquor's already here, so you know what we're doing. We're drinking. Yeah! Are you good? Okay, clearly production is here, and yes, production is also drinking as well because it would be boring if I drank alone, right? I will be drinking while trying to paint something on this beautiful plain white canvas. I decided to do this video because a couple weeks ago, I did a little sip and paint situation for me and my friends, and I actually had a good time, and I was like, you know what? I could totally film this. So that's what I'm doing now. So if you want to see me do it with my friends later on in the future, comment down below and we'll do it later on in the summer, you know, whatever. But just for today, it's just me, so enjoy me. But anyway, we have to start off with a shot, of course, clearly. So let's do that then. Oh, first off, before I begin, please drink responsibly. If you are not 21 years of age or older, please do not drink, okay? You know, I am obligated to say that. All right, now let's go. That was beautiful. We are 3 shots down, so let's just get to this painting. The picture I'm gonna be painting, you'll see now. So we love that she's a black queen, right? So I'm gonna start with the outline. If I can even manage to do English. Already, this is 3 shots in and English already is not happening. That makes no sense. But anyway, I'm going to mix some brown paint and some black paint to get the brown skin that I want, and hopefully it actually looks good because I'll be upset if it doesn't. Oh, and so what I'm going to be doing is every single time I put something else on the canvas, for instance, I'll take another shot, right? That might destroy me, but we'll see. So now that my brown has been mixed, let's begin. So I should probably, this isn't a landscape, so I'm kind of like confused as to where I should begin. You know what? I'm just gonna start off with her head. It's the easiest, right? It's small. It's a circle, right? You would think it's simple. Oh, I'm scared. Oh no. Clearly I'm tipsy already because I wouldn't be scared already. Like, ooh, oh, okay. Ooh. Oh, but I'm scared. Okay, anyway, you know what? I'm a painter. I got this. I do this on the regular, right? I need mostly hair. Okay. Oh no, I did it. Oh, I can't take it back now. Okay. So, circle. Oh, and I already made a mistake. Okay, so I'm just gonna angle her chin, right? Give her a beautiful chin, and then, oh no. Oh guys, I'm upset. Okay, anyway, so I need to begin with a triangle. Okay, so why did I pick painting, right? That's what we should talk about, right? I am in school for interior design, correct, right? Well, my freshman and my sophomore year, I took a bunch of painting classes, but I took oil painting classes. So I'm using acrylic paint, so the consistency is a bit different, but it's basically the same thing. Do I enjoy painting and not drawing at first? No. But that's the whole point of this, right? It's to challenge ourselves. Anyway, we have a circle, a brown circle. Yay. Okay, I'm gonna do the next. Ooh, English. I'm gonna do the neck next, and then we will have our next shot, period. Okay, she has a cute little narrow neck because she's skinny and she's a queen and we love that for her. And then we'll just do shoulders. And then that's her arm. But I'm only gonna paint it like that for now, but I'll tell you why later. And then I'm gonna figure out the rest of this shoulder situation and then we'll have another shot because I got too excited. So I get so focused when I do art. Oh, I'm so weird. I'm such a geek, yeah? Oh no. Guys, I'm really irritated with myself because of how messy this is. Okay. You got that down. Shot! Okay, next shot. And then you will move on to the rest of her body, yeah? Now I'm gonna find a different paintbrush because I want something thinner because I'm going to do her body outline now. Oh, I've already made so many mistakes, but it's okay. I am such a perfectionist, by the way, when it comes to painting. Like, I was doing this sip and paint thing with my friends the other day, and they got so annoyed with me because I was not... I kept trying to tell other people how to do the painting instead of just letting them do their own thing. Like, I couldn't just relax. The whole point of this is to have fun. Like, it doesn't have to be perfect all the time. That's just a strap. So now I'm gonna paint all of this. Well, actually, the strap should be over here. I'm just going to make all this brown so that it will be her skin. So I'm gonna pick up a bigger brush because we need that, yeah? Okay, that.
Bigger the better.
You wouldn't know, would you? Anyway, now I'm just painting her beautiful brown, lovely skin. We have to give her tatas though. Now I'm going to paint in her lovely arms on the side, and then we will have our next shot because at this point now I'm focused. That's her boob, so she needs to go like this. That's the dress. So that means her arm needs to be painted brown here. And that brown needs to be white. So that was a mistake, but oh well. And I'm painting around the areas where the sleeves are supposed to be a lighter brown. So then that way the white can go over it and not completely ruin my whole existence. Yeah, I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side and then next shot. Oh, her tits look really lopsided. That was lovely. Now we must continue. Now we're gonna do the hair. Oh, I made a mistake already. I'm just gonna make a giant fro because the curly bits in the picture happen like afterwards. So I'm just gonna give myself a big circle first for her little fro situation. Eee, so cute. And I'm gonna put little strands out there. This part is easy. I could do this part messy. This is the only part that can really be messy. So just let me have fun with this part, yeah? I'm not even gonna bother pouring it at this point, so. Yay. Now let's get the white paint. Do I look cute?
No.
I wasn't asking you, I was asking them. Anyway, so now I'm looking for a little rectangle brush so I can do these. Okay, that's too thick. Do I not have contacts in? Why am I acting like... Where'd it go? Okay, I got it. Anyway. Oh, I can't have paint in my hair. I'm struggling.
Your shirt is on backwards.
Oh no! We're back. I fixed everything.
Your shirt is still back.
Oh, hold on. I'll be right back. Okay. Now we're back to this white dress situation. I'm still looking for a paintbrush after all this time. Okay, this will work. No, this will work. No, this will work. Yes. Okay. I have to focus so I can get these lines perfectly straight, yeah? Okay. I can breathe, I think. That's one boob. Now I'm gonna do the other breasts to make sure that it's great and beautiful. Let me make sure this little situation in the center is perfect, because you know, we're always worried about that, ladies. Yes, we are. I am tipsy. Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna let the white sit for a minute. Now I'm gonna put the little curl situations. Well, actually, no, we're gonna do the crown first. But, exactly, yes, all right. Like, I'm being chill now because I'm intoxicated, but I'm actually very irritated about how not perfect this is. Like, my inner artist is yelling at me right now. I'm getting tired. I don't want to paint this anymore.
Lewis Johnson liked your video.
Thank you so much, Lewis, for liking my TikTok. I appreciate you. And speaking of, if you don't follow me on TikTok, you should. Okay, that was it. Should I have waited to do the outline until I repainted it? Yes. Am I making smart choices right now because I'm drinking? No. Okay. And she's been cleaned. And I'm tired. I don't want to do this anymore. Now I'm gonna finish this. I got this. Next shot, so you have to do the colored parts of her hair now. Now I have to do all the curly hair bits. Now the curly hair bits are blue and pink. Oh, I messed up. Hold on, I can fix it. Oh, I fixed it. Okay, I can do this, guys. Swirl, 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 whoop. Swirl, 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 whoop. Swirl, 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 boop. I almost fell. Knocked the whole thing over.
You already did that.
Now that we've done the hair, we're making some progress. I'm just gonna take some black to outline the little parts that are sticking out, because in the picture they do have black mixed in. And I want to stay as close to the picture as I can while being somewhat like this. Okay. Now, y'all, you know what time it is? Background time. All right, so the background in this photo, I definitely should have done the background first, but I got too excited. So the background is like a whole bunch of different things, and it's like paint struck, so it's not really evenly done. But I'm different, and I like things evenly done. So we're gonna try and ombre the background using the pink, the purple, and the yellow. So we'll see how that goes. Since it's kind of messy, I'm gonna go off the messy vibe, right? I'll pull this little light blue out of my behind. I did it!
Oops, I
Did it again. Mixing it up, mixing it up. I think I forgot that I should be drinking, yeah? I think I forgot that part. I've kind of just been painting and I forgot about the drinking part. Oh, I'm tired of blending things. Okay, that's how it's gonna be for now, because I just don't care anymore. Okay, now I'm gonna take my sponge and I'm gonna just blend this whole situation. Okay, it looks better than it was before, so I'll take it. Now I'm gonna do this little corner of background, and then we'll have our drink, and then we'll finish this dress, and then I think we're gonna go, so actually, you know what? I want the drink first. Celebration time, come out! Da 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 da. Come out! Da 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 da. Woohoo! Da 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 da. We're close to the finish line, guys. We're getting there. We're almost close. Okay, let's do this yellow crown. Let's fix it. Because once we get this yellow crown situation, when we get it looking less ghetto. Oh, I ruined it. I'll fix it. But I'm also not making straight lines anymore. So, okay. I've touched up the browns. So now I'm gonna touch up the white in her dress. And then after that, we're gonna do the outline of the dress in black. And then we should be good to go. Which makes me excited because I'm ready to be done. Last shot of the night, so we have to make it a good one. Ready? original picture has orange in it, but I don't want to put orange in mine, so I'm gonna take a skinny brush and I'm just gonna do all the detailing. So like the cleavage and like the under boobage and like all of that stuff. So I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm getting close to the finish line, guys. We're getting there. We're almost done. Now we just need to fix that one little area, make it white, and I'll fix this whole situation to make it white too. And then I will be done, because I am ready to be done. But I said I know the last one was the last one, but it wasn't. Okay, cheers. Okay. Ooh, okay, now I just have to do the outline of here because as I was doing it, I forgot. And then it will be done. And then I can finally go to bed. It's done. And here's my picture. I love her. And well, I love her now because I'm sober. I mean, I'm not sober, not at all. But if I was, I would be able to tell you every single mistake that's in this picture. But it's okay, because for being drunk, she's not bad in the slightest. Anyway, if you like this video, let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you think of the video. I'm pretty sure I already said that, but it's okay because I'm busy. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you haven't, what are you doing? Because you should, because we are loads of fun over here. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next one. Bye.